2024 Best Cheap Motorcycle for Beginners Yamaha YZF R3. In the world of motorcycles, the 2024 Yamaha YZF R3 emerges as an exceptional and affordable choice for beginners, seamlessly blending sporty design, approachable performance, and rider-friendly features. Recognized as one of the best cheap motorcycles for those entering the realm of riding, the YZF R3 exemplifies Yamaha's commitment to crafting machines that offer an ideal combination of cost-effectiveness, beginner-friendly attributes, and the exhilaration of sport bike riding. In 2024, the YZF R3 continues to be a compelling option for entry-level riders globally, standing as a symbol of accessible thrills, confidence building, and the joy of mastering the art of motorcycling on a budget. 1. Striking sport bike aesthetics with affordability. The Yamaha YZF R3 boasts striking sport bike aesthetics that deliver an exciting visual experience without breaking the bank, making it an attractive choice for riders seeking affordability coupled with style. With its sharp fairings, dual headlights, and a dynamic profile, the YZF R3 exudes a sporty presence on the road. Yamaha's commitment to cost-effective design ensures that the YZF R3 not only provides an exhilarating riding experience but also stands as a visual testament to the affordability of sport bike adventure. 2. Efficient parallel twin engine for accessible power. At the heart of the YZF R3 lies an efficient 321 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, offering a perfect balance of accessible power and efficiency for beginner riders. Yamaha's engine design emphasizes smooth power delivery and fuel efficiency, making it an excellent choice for those looking for an economical yet exciting sport bike experience. The YZF R3's engine provides ample performance for city commuting, highway cruising, and spirited rides, offering a budget-friendly platform for riders to explore the thrill of motorcycling. 3. Lightweight chassis for nimble handling. Designed for nimble handling, the Yamaha YZF R3 features a lightweight chassis and sport-tuned suspension that contribute to its responsive and agile characteristics. The bike's compact dimensions and balanced geometry make it easy for beginners to navigate through city traffic, carve through corners, and enjoy the thrill of sport bike handling. The YZF R3's lightweight design enhances its approachability, allowing riders to comfortably develop their skills and relish the excitement of dynamic rides without breaking the bank. 4. Comfortable seating and rider-friendly ergonomics. Crafted for comfortable riding, the YZF R3 features a rider-friendly ergonomic setup. The bike offers a sporty yet accommodating seating position, mid-mounted foot controls, and an upright handlebar, ensuring riders can enjoy extended journeys without discomfort. Yamaha's commitment to rider comfort makes the YZF R3 not only a budget-friendly option but also a practical and enjoyable companion for daily commuting and dynamic rides. 5. Integration of essential features. The 2024 YZF R3 seamlessly integrates essential features to enhance the overall riding experience. A user-friendly instrument cluster, LED lighting, and optional rider aids add contemporary functionality without inflating the cost. Yamaha ensures that the YZF R3 remains an economical yet technologically advanced choice, appealing to riders who appreciate the fusion of budget-friendly styling with essential conveniences. Conclusion. The 2024 Yamaha YZF R3 stands as a global icon of entry-level sport bike affordability, securing its position as one of the best cheap motorcycles for beginners. Its sport bike styling, economical parallel twin engine, lightweight chassis, comfortable ergonomics, and integration of essential features make it an unrivaled choice for budget-conscious riders venturing into the world of motorcycling. Whether mastering the basics, navigating city streets with style, or enjoying spirited rides on a budget, the YZF R3 encapsulates the spirit of Yamaha's dedication to crafting motorcycles that redefine the boundaries of affordable sport bike excellence. As a symbol of accessible thrills, confidence building, and the joy of mastering the art of motorcycling without breaking the bank, the 2024 Yamaha YZF R3 rightfully claims its place as a global legend in the realm of cheap motorcycles for beginners.